On the Russia-Ukraine conflict, India's External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar reiterated that no solution will emerge from the battlefield and there must be a return to dialogue and diplomacy. Dr. Jaishankar said this while holding a presser in Tokyo after the Quad meeting.
From the very beginning, had the view that use of force does not resolve problems between countries. And in the last 2.5 years, as this conflict has deepened, it has cost lives, it has done economic damage, it has had global consequences. We believe that there must be a return to dialogue and diplomacy. Our feeling today is that, more needs to be done, that we should not resign ourselves to the continuation of the current state of conflict and say, well, let this take its own course.
And talking about India's ties with China, Minister S. Jaishankar termed India's relations with China as not very well and said relations can be better if China respects the line of actual control and agreements.
Our relations with China are not doing very well. The main reason for that was that in 2020, during the COVID, China brought very large forces to the border areas between India and China in violation of agreements that we had with China. The consequences of that, because the issue has not been resolved fully, continue. If you ask me how are your relations with China, I have to tell you they are not good, they are not normal right now. But obviously as a neighbor we hope for a better relationship, but that can only happen if they respect the line of actual control and if they respect agreements which they have signed in the past.
In fact, the joint statement of Quad